viewers, you're welcome to the 5th video of my video series Mind, Body and Soul. My name is Bernardo River, and what we'll be looking at today is something that is more important than money. Do you really think there's anything more important than money? Money is very important to everybody, but there's one thing I believe is more important to people than money. Can you remember a time you did something very important for someone? Something you probably went a great length to accomplish, and your effort was never appreciated or even recognized. How did it make you feel? Or at your place of work, you worked on a project tirelessly, probably with sleepless nights, long hours of work, more than expected, expecting to be appreciated. But your effort was just seen as one of those things you were supposed to do, probably because you are paid a salary. How did it make you feel? And when you did something nice for your partner or your spouse, and he or she didn't say a common thank you for what you've done. Think of this. Success in anything you do, be it in your personal life or your professional life, is never achieved without someone or some people supporting and assisting you in a way. Think about the people in your life, people who have contributed to your career, your spiritual life, your family, or your relationship. How do you make them feel? Do you make them feel appreciated? Do you make them feel irreplaceable? Are you proud of them at all? Do you make reference to them when you talk about that achievement of yours? Do you even give them credit for all they do for you? Do you tell them how much you value their advice? Do you tell them how much their contribution means to you? Do you make them realize that their contribution has made you who you are and put you in the place you are today? Are you even interested in the things that are important to them? What do you do to show your spouse or your partner that they are special and significant to you? Do you pamper them sometimes? Or do you just feel that your partner's responsibilities are their responsibilities, so they should take care of them at every given time? What special things do you do to make your customers or your clients feel significant to your business? What about your family, your children, your siblings, your friends? Do you show them that they are important to you? Do you listen to them when they talk about things that are important to them? Do you go the extra mile to do special things to show them that you really do appreciate everything they do for you? As a business person, you need relationships, good relationships, to succeed in your business. Relationships with your customers, relationships with your employees, relationship with your suppliers, and relationship with your investors. The moment you make your employee feel that they are less important in any way and that they can be easily replaced, you will get to realize that the feeling of importance to any human being is more important than money. People sometimes take up jobs with big titles, with important titles, and little pay, little salary, because it makes them feel important to their family members, their friends, their colleagues, and the people they work with in their company. In fact, people want to get money in order to satisfy that feeling of importance. They want to belong, they want to be important in their society, important in their organizations, important in their family, and be important in wherever they find themselves because of that feeling of importance that every human being craves. The moment you make your spouse or your partner feel less important in a relationship, you get to realize that human beings do crave the feeling of importance more than money. It's funny sometimes how we admire and appreciate celebrities we watch on TV and politicians. These are people who most of the time are far away from us, people who care less that we exist, and we neglect to appreciate and admire the people who are closest to us, people who we interact and do things with on a daily basis. One of the best ways to build and keep a relationship is by showing appreciation to the person you are in that relationship with at every given time, and letting that person know he or she is irreplaceable and very important in your relationship. I've come up with 7 ways to show the people close to you that they are important and appreciated. Number 1 is say thank you. You know how it feels like when you do something nice for someone something you probably put in a lot of effort to do, and that person showed no form of appreciation, not even a common thank you, it can really hurt. It can make you hate or like someone. Those two words, thank you, are very powerful and should never be underestimated. It can make someone like or hate you. It can make someone open up to you or close up to you. Number 2 is focus on the positives. It's always easy to point out the things that your partner, your spouse, or your colleague, your boss, or even your employees do wrong to you. People like to know that they do things the right way sometimes. The next time you want to point out to someone what that person did wrong to you, you can first of all talk about what that person did right or what that person has been doing right before talking about what that person did wrong. In that way, that person will get to understand that yes, you recognize the fact and you appreciate the fact that they do things right, but they need to fix some things they've done wrong. Number 3 is give gifts. You shouldn't give gifts only on special occasions, and you don't necessarily need to spend a lot of money to get a gift for someone. It could be as little as possible. What counts is the intention of you giving that gift to that person. The thought of getting something, a gift, or doing something nice to show your appreciation to a person is very powerful, and it goes a long way to how the person behaves onward to you, and if that person will continue to do the things that makes you appreciate him or her. Number 4 is let the person know. You don't have to wait until that person is not around anymore before saying good things about that person. You saying something nice about someone else to another person doesn't count, because that person who does the nice things does not get to know about what he or she has done. That person does not get to know that you do appreciate what he or she does for you. Let the person know exactly what you appreciate about him or her, and do it when you can, not when it's too late. You don't need to appreciate, to show appreciation for what people do for you just because you need a favor from that person. Number 5 is give a gentle touch. Giving a hug to someone you appreciate, or just touching the person's hands, a gentle rub on the person's shoulder, or even a handshake can go a long way to showing someone that you do appreciate what him or her has done for you or has been doing for you. But that should depend on the kind of relationship you have with that person. Number 6 is pay attention. Nothing can make a person feel less important more than picking up a phone call or responding to a text message while that person is talking to you. It's just good manners to apologize before picking up a phone call or responding to a text message while someone is talking to you. I mean, it's just like being on a date with a girl, and while you're talking to that girl, the girl keeps checking out other guys that are passing by, and vice versa. Number 7 is keep your promises. When you make promises, keep them, or let that person know on time that you won't be able to keep that promise before it's too late. You don't wait till the last minute before letting the person know that you cannot keep the promise you made. You know how it feels when you talk to someone about something the person promised to do, or the person promised you, and the person can hardly even remember talking to you about something like that. It makes someone feel very less important and unappreciated. To wrap it all up, do unto others as you want others to do to you. Make other people feel the way you want other people to make you feel. I hope you learned something from this video. Please drop your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel in order to get more videos from me. Catch you in my next video.